In this video, we will be providing you with an overview on why our Cerclage wires should be your go-to choice for orthopedic procedures. Our Cerclage wires provide optimal fixation and additional stability to the reduced fracture through centripetal force and are especially useful in stabilizing the proximal femoral fracture after stem insertion in total hip arthroplasty. They are supplied sterile and pre-cut, therefore eliminating the need to use real wire and saving you time. They are supplied in packs of 10 and are available in a variety of sizes to suit your requirements. We are committed to our partnership with the NHS to ensure we can offer best value to our NHS customers. You can find our Cerclage wires on various NHS framework agreements. Trust in our Cerclage wires for superior surgical outcomes. Contact our customer service team for further information.